Hey, hi. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hi. Where we stopped, Prakshu?
That pyramid program and right triangle.
Sorry? Pyramid
That
program, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. Are you completed that one?
Yes, I did it. Like right upside down and downside one and pyramid. These three I did it.
Okay. Right.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nirupa. Are you completed the program, Nirupa?
The pyramids one, sir.
Yes, right.
Yeah, I saw it in the Google and I did it, sir.
You didn't understand?
No, after seeing in the Google, I understood, but also I have a few doubts. Maybe that will come with practice.
Okay. Can we do some more programs, or can we go to our SQL?
So SQL means like, so we are going back to SQL like to do views, or this Python still functions and other stuff is there, no, sir?
Yes,
So
right. In SQL, we need to cover creating the databases, creating the tables.
manipulating stuff.
Yes. No, not manipulating stuff.
ADL,
It's like
data definition language.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, why? Because you're feeling bored with the Python. Once we'll go back to SQL, and
So we will.
meanwhile,
So if we go back to SQL, we will complete the structured, stored procedures and everything, sir.
yes.
Oh, okay. I'm fine, sir.
Prakshu, Smita,
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay for me. But in Python, I want to clear that one thing. Like we will learn later on that how to calculate the mean, median, mode, these things
yes,
later on. We have to learn
yes.
that.
We'll when we are going to do on the, I mean, say like I'll explain one project, right? I'll
Hmm.
explain one project by taking the data. At the time,
Okay.
I'll, we showed, right? I mean, to say like we went through the pandas library, how to load the
Uh-huh.
data, how to do manipulations and all those things, right? It will take not more than 1 hour to get
Oh,
all the statistical summaries
yes.
and the
But in
with
one
help
class,
of
we will see how it we have to, we will use
yes,
that thing. Okay,
yes, right.
got it.
It's very easy. I mean to say like with a simple command, you will get entire descriptive statistical results.
Yes, yes, yes. Mm-hmm.
And
Okay,
then
like that
Okay.
we'll
also
get easily.
graph and diagrams as well in
Graphs and diagrams in Python are not required. That's
Oh.
completely a different stuff, Asmita. That's
Mm-hmm.
a Matplotlib, Boki, that's completely different stuff. You don't need to see any visualizations in the Python because to view the visualizations, we have a Tableau and Power BI.
So
Okay,
in
the
Python,
data,
we
the
will not.
data analysis people and the data analysis one, they don't go for, I mean, say like even though for the data scientists also, they don't go for the visualizations with help of these particular things. With Matplotlib and with Bokeh. And so, only startups will prefer. Why? Because these are open. If Tableau and Power BI also open, right? 99% most of the people don't come to visualize with help of the Python libraries. Why? Because it is difficult. We need to write a program, and it's completely a syntactical oriented.
So Prakshu, what are you saying? Mean, median? What do you mean? Like, are you referring to the
Statistics.
statistics?
Yes.
Okay.
In that, like search told about that Khan Academy.
Yeah.
They have all that concept. So
So
Yeah,
there is
I saw
only
that.
like commands for mean, mode, median. There's
Yes,
like
mean,
has
mode,
no-
median, and
So
we need to select the columns, or we
yeah,
need to
there's
select the
Hmm.
data frame. And based on that, we need to identify with a single command, we will get it.
yeah,
How much
there's
data
a
it will be.
Okay.
but
Oh,
I'm
that is
Okay,
like
approximately we have a 30 to 40 commands. Those will be
Mhm.
very easy to remember, and those will be, like it's just like a simple English language.
so that is there in Python, sir. Like
Yes, yes.
yeah, it's
oh,
on NumPy. I saw that.
NumPy.
NumPy and Pandas.
NumPy.
Mhm.
So what is
Okay.
PyCharm, sir?
PyCharm is a IDE, Nirupa.
Okay.
IDE, Integrated Development Environment.
So just like this Jupyter notebook.
Yes, right. Yes,
Okay.
right. But the PyCharm will be used by the developers.
Okay.
Why? Because they need to develop a lot of functions, and they need to concatenate all of those things, and they need to include some APIs. They need to connect some databases. That type of continuous development they'll use PyCharm
Okay.
and Visual Studio for Python. These all will be useful stuff for the people who are in the development.
So even SpicePark or something is there? Even that is
No.
ID.
PySpark is a different thing. PySpark is the big data concepts. Those are different.
Oh,
PySpark is a big data.
okay.
To
So
to
it's
perform to
okay.
perform mm, uh, calculations. Previously, it will be a map reduce, and now it is we all are doing on the with help of the PySpark. All the calculations. Why? Because MapReduce is developed with help of the Java. So, and Java is a very complex language, right? PySpark is developed based on the Python. Python is a very basic and important one if you want to work in any of the big data or AWS or GCP technologies. These are a little bit extensions and modifications to the
So
Python language.
that is also a programming thing, PySpark.
Yes, right. Yes.
Okay. No, why I'm
Okay.
asking is like I asked Sunita for the resume. They kept all this in the resume. I don't even know what is that. So
PySpark also kept.
they kept so many things. They kept development as I'm a great developer, something. I just wanted to
No.
ask
I
what
mean, say like, can you please check with them? You need to ask them. Please prepare a profile which is suitable for the data analyst.
I can show it to you also if you want. Like
But
No problem. I mean to say like once you can go and ask her,
okay.
and at the end of the day, at the end of our sessions, anyway, we'll have. I mean to say like I already told to Pawan regarding to these things.
Mhm.
Don't worry about it. Please
So
be
well,
keep as your profile like that. You are a data analyst, not a Python developers or a DB developers
yeah, I
or
think
something like that.
the first project what they kept is they kept it as a Python data analyst, and most of the stuff is like mostly like development. So there are so many words which I don't know. So that's why I'm asking what are these.
Okay. You can share me your resume what they prepared through mail
Okay.
through WhatsApp, Nirupa.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Sir, what is Power BI? What's its use?
Power BI is just
It's
like
also
Like
like as a
Tableau?
Tableau. Yes,
Okay.
it's also used for the visualizations.
Yeah, and that is very easy, but I stopped near the DAX part. I'm still trying to learn it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir, let's go to SQL then.
Okay. Now the first question for you, 30 seconds, Nirupa.
Mhm.
That is how to create the databases and those stuff. How
So,
to create.
create means like create table and all that.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So create
Creating the database,
table name.
creating the database, and after that creating tables inside to the database, and after that creating columns inside to the database. After that giving specifications to the columns of the tables which are there in the databases. That is we're going to do today.
So create a database.
Yeah, I
Okay.
want to know how you're creating the database, sir. I know how to create a table.
Creating database. Okay. And creating tables inside a database.
Creating database.
Creating columns in the table with specifications. Okay, and after that, altering database. Okay, altering table names. Adding columns from the table. Removing columns from the table. Dropping table. Dropping database. Okay, this is the agenda which we are going to complete for today. Is it clear?
Mm.
Nirupa?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. See, creating a database. It's very simple. And just see. Create database. Okay, and space the name what you want to give to the database. For example, okay, this is the database name what I'm going to create. Just I'm executing this. Okay, what it is saying?
Nirupa.
Okay, I have a one command which will be used to
Sir,
view.
when you created the database, did it create a database, sir?
Yes. 1 second, I'll wait. I'm writing that thing only 30 seconds.
Okay.
To
Okay.
view all the databases. Okay, command is show data. Okay, if you execute this particular command, you're able to see what are the databases available currently. Data analysis, information schema, MySQL, Nirupa, and performance schema, SAC,
right.
SysWorld. It is created or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you are not able to see it here in the
Refresh.
database. Just a refresh is required. That's it.
Oh, okay. Got it.
So just
Okay.
have to write create database.
Yes, right. Okay, if you observe, defaultly all these came into the picture: table, view, stored procedures, functions. Okay, now if you click on the tables, nothing is there, right? So that is the reason you are not getting anything. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like that, create a database, Nirupa, and but you can create with your names and with how you want to create. Okay, and how to drop a database. How to drop a database. Just see. What is the word used for drop?
Drop. Drop database.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just executing.
So it's
You're able to
removed.
see
Mhm.
it is removed.
Yes.
Observed.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And after that, I'm just I'm okay, to remove your confusion. I'll Nirupa. I'm removing the remaining databases also. Okay, right now, these are the available databases. Now, if you observe, we know how to create a database. In database, what we need to have? Tables we need to have, right?
Mhm.
See how to create a table. Tell me, you don't know anything, but based on the above statement, tell me what may be the statement.
Create table, table,
Create table.
Table. Table
Table.
name
Table name.
is mm,
Then column name.
okay. Team 5 is the database name. Okay, and just see open bracket and close bracket semicolon and click enter. Okay, now what you need to give? You given the table names. You need to give the column names.
Columns.
Okay, serial number or okay. I'll consider it as a employee ID. Okay, and so okay. Tell me the other columns. Employee ID,
Employee name.
uh,
First name, last name.
first name. Generally, what we'll see.
Last
Last
name.
name.
Last name,
Department. Salary.
department,
Address.
salary, uh, city,
State.
state,
Country.
pin code, pin code. Okay, and after employee ID, first name, last name, department. After employee ID, I'll take mobile number. Okay, these are the columns which I am taking. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now, these are the column names, but after that, you need to give the type of data which is need to accept. Employee ID, I am taking integer. Okay, clear?
Yes.
After
sir.
that, you need to give comma. Mobile number, I'm taking integer. Okay, integer maybe it'll be a 10 digit, right? It will be a gross. Okay, I'm taking as a varchar and 255 characters. Okay, and
Sir, what is
maximum
255?
size of the length of the text it need to accept.
Okay.
Department,
Worker.
salary. For the salary, like what is the biggest number? Long end. Oh, God. Okay, I'll accept it like a salary.
Employee ID. And
Okay, right. Salary, I'll consider as a int. City, I'll consider as a varchar. State also varchar. Pin code, int. Just you need to keep separate all these things with a comma. Okay, at the end, there is not required to give anything. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This is the table what we are going to create it. Okay. Nirupa is there, right? Or one second. Okay. You will get one error now. Okay. I told to I forgot to told you. Do multi-comment in SQL. We'll use this format.
Okay.
Okay. Entire this code is in a comments. Nothing is going to execute. Okay. These are the databases which are available. Is
Okay.
it clear?
Okay, sir.
Now just I'm removing this thing and I'm refreshing. It's okay. Nirupa is the database. If I execute this code, I'll get some error. What is the error?
No data selected.
What is the error?
No database selected.
Selected.
Select
Select
How you will
default.
select the database?
You have to double click there.
Yes. Okay. Now it is highlighted and this code will be executed now successfully and you are able to see. Okay, you need to give a refresh. Now you are able to see the table information. Okay, to check this particular thing. Okay, we already created the table, right? I'm commenting this thing. Okay, and now select star from team 5. I'm just executing the query. You're able to see
Yes.
this is the table. Okay,
Mm.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you creating parallelly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How you are going to drop the table?
Drop.
Drop table name.
Drop.
Table name. No, sir.
Okay, we no need to drop the table now itself. We'll go to add some columns and we'll remove some columns and after that we will remove the table. Okay, altering the table. What is alteration? What is the meaning of alteration?
Making some changes.
Yes, alter. What's the table name?
Team
Team
5.
5. Team 5. Alter table team 5. What we are going to do? Add. Tell me some common name. Tell me some column name which we forgot. Okay, like
Country.
age int. Okay,
Mhm.
so now just see, I'm executing this command. Okay, if you are able to observe, you execute this thing. Okay, this column is added.
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. If you want to add, okay, I'll show you. I'll add email ID. Email ID. Email ID. It will be suitable for int.
No,
Or-
no, sir. Varchar.
Yeah, 255 maximum 255 characters, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it will be like that. And if you execute this particular thing, then after that, now if you select and if you execute this, we'll have an email ID also. Okay, adding
sir.
the columns to the table with help of alter. If we want to, sorry, altering the table names. Okay, right. If we want to remove the column names, what do we need to do? Removing also, altering only, right? Removing also, it
Alt.
means altering only, right?
Yes, sir.
What we'll do? Alter table team 5 and email ID varchar. Here add is the
Remove. Drop.
okay
Drop.
drop. What I'm going to remove department, salary, city, state. City I am removing. there is no need to give any varchar details. Why? Because you're directly removing it. You no need to worry about it. Okay. You're executing it, and now you're selecting and executing. See this one? City is removed. Okay. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one
Yes,
minute.
tell me.
So you did alter and you also used to remove, sir?
Alter and drop.
To drop a column, you used to drop?
Yes. To add a column, I used add.
Okay, alter table, table name, drop column name.
Yes.
Okay.
Alter table, table name, add column name.
Okay.
Okay. Don't be confused. Don't be confused.
No, no, I'm doing simultaneously there.
Okay. I'll give time. I'll give time. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll give 10 minutes of time to replicate all these activities.
Okay.
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 And now we already created, right?
Okay.
Okay. But now I want to change age into okay. I want to change age into varchar. See, alter table team 5, and what I'm going to do? What I'm going to do? Modify what column?
Age.
What column?
Column name.
Age.
Age.
Age. And to which data type I'm changing?
Varchar.
Worker.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
Now just I'm executing it. You can able to see.
Change.
Okay. Can you please take some time and take 10 minutes time and try to replicate all these events and try to create at least 2 or 3 tables and 2 or databases. Try to create a table, create, remove, drop a table, drop a database, create columns, change, alter columns, and use modify. Just try to replicate all these events.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 10 minutes.
Okay.
So I have question regarding that creating table.
Yes, tell me.
Can you explain one more time? Because I am getting,
Yes, sir. Can you
I
go
didn't
up?
get it.
Yeah.
That creating table inside database.
Creating table.
Hmm.
Okay, we need to first select the database.
Hmm.
After that, create a table.
Mhm.
Okay, and the table name.
Hmm.
Open bracket, close bracket, and semicolon. And inside to
Yes.
that, column name and the data type.
Hmm.
Column name, data type, and its specification. Column name, data type, and its specifications. That's it. Column
So
name.
how it
After
will
that,
execute?
just you need to select it and execute.
Yeah, but it is giving error in mine. I will try once again.
Maybe
That's it.
because you didn't select the database.
Like I did it, like it is activating here, like it is highlighted.
Okay, you can share your screen.
Yeah, let me try one more time, then I would see.
So do we have to put that like star and before and after?
To comment this code, to
Okay.
comment all the lines at a once.
Mhm. Okay.
Multi-line commenter it is.
You have error in SQL syntax. Okay, I got
This
It.
is a commenter.
Hmm. So it is giving me error like this table already exists. Maybe it
Then what
already.
you do? Then you need to already you created. So that
So
is the
it.
reason what you can drop it and you can
Oh.
create it.
Oh,
Already
okay.
created successfully.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, right.
no database selected. Sir, mine is giving error like no database selected. Select the default database to be used, double clicking its name in the schema's list in the sidebar.
What, Smita?
Sorry, it's not show me error like no database selected. Select default database using.
Did you double click the database?
It shows me like a database to be used by double clicking its name in schema's list in the sidebar.
Yeah, so in the schema on the sidebar, you
Hmm.
double click the database and again come and execute this, create whatever you're executing.
Oh, what I did. Hmm.
You got it?
Oh, database in this. Let me.
Is it clear for each and everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nirupa, Tejender, Nikita, Smita.
Yes, sir.
How many people? Total 5 people, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, sir.
After a long time.
Mm.
Okay, see this one. Now you remember in a database, if you observe, some values are not null, some values are only integers, some values, some columns are considered as a primary key, some columns are considered as a foreign key. You remember? Only integers. I know, for example, employee ID, it may be auto incremental. If you are entering the data into it, it will defaultly automatically increment.
What?
Okay.
No, sir. If we take back, what do you mean by auto incremental? So if employee ID is there in employee table,
Okay. Oh, okay. We are adding data to that particular table. Defaultly, the employee ID is going to add increment. Up
means
to now, only 10 people are there. Okay. You are adding one more employee details. Automatically, it will increase to 11. Automatically, it increase to 12. Like that, it is a primary key which is identified to separate values uniquely.
okay.
Okay. These are the constraints in the MySQL. Not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check, default, create index.
Create.
Okay. These are the constraints.
Use primary key, foreign key, check default, and create index.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm trying to create a table by combining all these things. Okay, now I'm creating a database. Create. Okay, already database is there, right? Let's create a table. Create table. My table name is analytics. My table name is analytics. Okay.
Mhm.
Create a table analytics. Where we are creating this particular table analytics in the database
Nirupa.
Nirupa. Okay, just I'm executing this thing. See what it is showing. A table must have at least one visible column. Okay, now I told you, right? It is a very easy way to create. Now you can come to here and click on enter. Okay, employee ID. First I am creating different columns to fulfill and to use all those syntaxes, all those constraints. Employee ID and salary. Okay, employee ID. You know, it will be like employee ID should be auto incremental. We'll try to create and we'll try to utilize all those things. Okay, employee ID should be auto incremental. Salary. What salary? Which constraint will be suitable?
Salary, not null.
Why you are thinking that much? You'll work for free.
Should not be null.
Okay, and okay, first name. First name and last name. First name and last name are varchar and should not be okay. Should not be null. Okay. First name may be null. Last name should okay. First name may should not be null, but last name may not be last name. Okay. 1 second. Don't be confused. I'll confuse you guys. Last name. Last name is varchar. Last name is varchar. Is varchar and varchar. That's all. That's it only. But first name is varchar and should not be null. First name should be there. Okay. First name and last name. Right. First name and last name. And how many are used? Not null is used. Unique. Mobile number should be unique, right? Okay. It is used and employee ID default. Okay, age for age we'll use default. Age should not be null and it is default and definitely A should be there, right? If a person is working and if he is earning, and mobile number should be should be unique.
Mobile number.
Mobile number should be unique. Age, mobile number. Mobile number. Okay, and age, employee is clear, salary is clear, first name is clear, last name is clear, age is sorry. What is the last name? Salary. Okay. Okay, how many constraints we covered? Age should be default. Default we covered. And foreign key, primary key. Primary key should be an employee ID. Should not auto incremental and primary unique is mobile number covered, primary key is covered, and foreign key didn't covered, check didn't cover, default didn't cover, create didn't cover. Okay, how many didn't cover? 1, 2, 3 are not covered. Okay, see now. Okay, how previously we mentioned employee ID, what its category? It is int,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
It is integer and not null. Okay, and what is our thing? It should be
Primary.
auto incremental, and as well as we need to show it as auto
Primary.
incremental also.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
it is integer, not null. And
Auto increment.
clear constraints: integer, not null, auto increment. Salary should not be null. It is integer and
Not null.
not null. First name, varchar,
255.
and not null. Last name only varchar, that's it. Age should not be, it is a default value. How you will give the default value?
Default.
For example, yes, age should be an integer. Okay, and after that not null. And default value is can I say 18 years
Okay.
to earn something.
Not null default 18.
Sorry, here, okay, here.
Last name Warka 255. We have to.
Right. Okay,
Mobile
18.
number.
Mobile number should be unique, right?
Yeah.
How you will define unique?
By saying unique, sir.
Yes, that's it.
Mhm.
But you know, the only difference is you can already, you can directly give not null. Okay, and you can say like that integer also. You need to give unique one is mobile number.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Okay.
See this one. Now I'm executing this. Salary should not be null. Salary int. It must be defined. Okay. Incorrect table definition. There can be only one auto column and it must be defined as a key.
Primary key, sir. That one first one.
Yes. Is not null and auto increment. What it is saying? See this one. There can only be
Into
auto column
column.
and it must be defined as a key. It must be defined as a key. Where we did this.
Sir, we don't
Okay,
need
okay,
to
right,
give
right,
like
right.
primary key.
Right. Yes, right. Primary
Key.
key is employee ID. Employee ID. Okay. Now we'll see what type of errors we'll get it. Okay. Key column employee ID does not exist in the table. Maybe some spelling mistake. Okay, right. Okay, table is created with all these specifications. Once I'll replace this thing, tables and analytics, columns. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. So we used primary key, not null, unique, default till now.
Not null used, unique used, primary key used, default used.
Default used. Okay.
Okay, right. Now I'll drop okay, I'm dropping this table. Okay, now what are the things we left? Foreign key. What is the meaning of foreign key? What is the meaning of foreign key?
No idea, sir.
Foreign key is, I mean to say, like with primary key
You can identify.
we can identify records uniquely with help of two other keys in the table. We can able to identify records uniquely. It means, for example, you can feel like that name will be the same for the two persons. Then you can go to the age or mobile number. You can you can uniquely identify the record, right? You're understanding what I'm saying? Hello?
Mm. So you're saying other than primary key, if we want to identify the records uniquely.
Yes, right. Yes, with help of some other one. That is, that constraint is nothing but a foreign key.
Okay. Oh, so we are looking for a common ground other than primary key
Yes,
between.
right. To identify the records uniquely.
Okay.
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 That's it. That is the main things. We'll see One sec. These people are now called.
Primary key.
Okay, remaining two things we'll discuss tomorrow.
Sir, till now you said anything, sir?
No. I just be in a mute.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. So this also will come under, okay, this is also creation. Okay, okay.
This one.
Okay then.
There's something you're saying, Nirupa?
So auto increment and primary key are both same concepts, or primary key is
No.
for
Primary
identifying
key
the
is-
records uniquely.
Yes.
Auto increment is like when you add a record to an
Adding
employee
the data
table, it
to the
will
table, it will automatically increment. You no need to give
increment the-
specifically.
Okay. Okay, so if we specify it as an auto increment, it will automatically, it will.
Yes.
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
Because for example, Amazon or the customers are increasing, defaultly ID will be generated, right?
Okay.
On an incremental order. So that's the thing.
Okay.
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 Why? Because once you are clear on this, at the end, I'll tell SSAS also.
What you'll tell, sir?
SSAS.
What is that?
SQL Server Analytical Services.
SQL Server, SQL Server Analytical Services.
Yes. Okay, don't worry. I mean, sir, the basic thing is SQL.
Okay.
You understood SQL, remaining all the things are nothing.
Server.
You can able to search easily and you can able to identify the things.
Can you explain foreign key one more time?
I'll explain tomorrow with an example.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Then it's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
then
Thank
Bye-bye.
I will send you a message, sir, then.
Okay, sure. You can share me the resume.
Yeah,
forgot
I
okay.
will send. Thank you, sir.
Done. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.